The first product created by the Light Vision team is an app called Netaji that connects citizens with local politicians and municipal corporators. Using a simple interface, citizens can post grievances which are immediately notified to the politicians, and subsequent progress on solving the issue is tracked as well. As of now, Netaji is at a pre-revenue stage and is focused on acquiring users, but their long-term goal is to grow into a big data company for the government. Let's take a look at Krishnal's startup story.
During my college years, during the second year of engineering, I had gone for voting for the local elections, and at that point I had really no clue as whom to vote for. So that day I made a random vote, but I came back home and I started thinking like, what should I do to make the system better and more transparent so that youngsters like us who are not much into understanding the political system of our area can go out and make a informed choice.
So here's how the app works. Notice something amiss and want to report it to the local authority or politician in charge? Simply take a photograph and write up a short note on the Netaji app. The app picks up your location and directly transmits the grievance to a relevant authority. The best bit, your identity stays anonymous, but you can monitor the progress on the issues and even chat with the politician.
I used to think that the politicians won't be talking to anyone they must be really busy in their work and they would not entertain too many people, but I was completely wrong. Politicians are actually they want to listen to people at every point of time. It's just the matter that you have to go and speak to them directly. That's the only thing that I've learned, and I used to keep going to each and every politician directly to the office. I would not even call them. I would directly step into the office and say that I have something to show you, and I would start speaking to them. And when I used to show them, they would get so much eager and so much anxious about the project that they would be interested, and they would tell me 10 more things that I would not have to figure out on my own.
What also works well for the politicians is that they have tangible proof of the work done and can make data-driven decisions based on the analytics of their ward or constituency. Politicians can also showcase their welfare activities and broadcast messages to the residents of their ward or constituency without setting up a network of friends and followers. The activities are geo-targeted towards a set of people who belong to that ward.
Okay, so as of now we have around more than 4,500 users, and what we are reaching around 5,000 in this by this month. Now we have around 60 corporators, and what we have done is like, along with corporators, if you see what we do is like we also go to each and every aspiring corporator as well who are not elected, because they are the ones who are quite eager to solve problems, because even they are in that zone, right? Although they are not elected, so we are also getting them on our side. So adding everybody till date, we have around 400 politicians.
The team is now focusing on marketing the product to political parties and creating a subscription-based revenue model. Going forward, the team is looking to work on tools that will make data collection and analytics easier for political parties and government bodies, therefore increasing their productivity across all levels.
All right, Vikram, what were you looking for?
Most of them were not giving up on the customers or the suppliers. So a person, when he says that, I am trying to change the way the society communicates with my politicians, he's not given up on the politicians yet, or he's not given up on the healthcare system yet. So that is exactly where the benefit of youth comes out. And
you have a lot of responsibility, and whatever you're going to build, I think build with passion, like Kritika said. B, do not lose on that energy which you have, and always look at the fact that, listen, it's just not the problem we are solving in a city. You're just going down to the grassroots, and you're going to build India on that global map.